you need to connect the oxygen collector with the compressor, which takes oxygen pipes, and you will need to do it on the black sides. There are multiple sides. There's a blue side with a circle, and then there's the black squares. You need the black squares connects oxygen pipes. Now, what this does is that it's actually it requires power, and what the power does, it transfers the oxygen to here. I have no idea what's going on with my machinery, but what it's supposed to do is that it's supposed to bring the oxygen to the oxygen compressor and compress it into your oxygen tank. I had it working when I was trying to set it up, as you can see, but I'm not too sure why it's not working now. But anyway, this is the refinery. You will need oil. Oil you just put in there and it'll start filling up. You can collect oil with buckets, which is convenient, and you put the empty liquid canister right there. And what you do is that you power it, and what it should do, it should refine this oil. It takes a little bit of time. You don't need much oil to get a full fuel canister. I'm not too sure why my machinery is not working. It was working a little bit ago, but I suppose it's always life. But anyway, now I know probably not going to be able to show you how the oxygen distributor works, but basically what you need on the moon is that you need leaves. Make sure you bring wood and leaves, because leaves are used to collect oxygen in space, and the more leaves you have, the more output you have with oxygen on here, and the more N you get in here, which makes a bigger bubble. Now I also have the sealable oxygen pipes, which you can actually put on the moon, and it'll seal your base from, an open gap. So if you're making a wall and your oxygen pipe needs to go outside, you can just place this instead of a 10 block or something. And that's just made by a 10 decorative block and 2 oxygen pipes on either side. Now, the fuel loader, how that works is that you put your fuel right here. You click load fuel, and what should happen when you give it power is that it should fuel your rocket for liftoff. Now, this is how you check your fuel, which is empty right now. Not too sure why, but we can live with it. And I got a better idea. This never happened. There we go. That never happened, guys. Oh, just in case, if I don't see them, they did add in moon villages, and these are what the moon villagers look like. Instead of growing wheat, they grow tree farms, actually. I'm not too sure if we'll be able to see any villagers on the moon when we get up there, but I'll try to show you monsters, which let me go ahead and get off peaceful, because I was attacked by a slime on my first recording. Now, what you do is once you get in, once it's all fueled up and ready to go, and you have all your oxygen gear on and all your supply on, you press spacebar to begin takeoff. It's a 20-second countdown, and there goes the engines rumbling once more. I'm not too sure if you'll be able to hear the rumbling. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff! Houston, we have liftoff! Now, what the bar is right there on the left, the closer you are to, the outer part of it, once you get to the top, you'll actually get to a menu that allows you to select a world, which he only has 2 worlds in it at the moment, which is the overworld and the moon. But you can actually create your own space station. Now, the space station only starts off as a little tiny square, which you can actually expand on. It has openings for hallways you can build, and you can build those hallways to get into other rooms and all that. But you would need to know how to circuit everything and all that. Circuiting's not much my forte. If I can't find any circuitry guide, if I can't tell you how to do it, I'll try to link you a circuitry guide in my descriptions below. But for now, we're almost there. And here's the menu. Only 2 worlds. You can create your own space station. It requires... Oh, only 1? That's weird. You can create your own space station 20. And I like this. He actually added in a galaxy map, which you can actually look around. There's the sun, and there's the planet, and the moon. You can actually zoom in and see the moon. He plans on adding in new planets later. Now, and get rid of the map and send us to the moon. What I like about the moon is that what the oh, okay. Apparently you have to slow your landfall or else you'll probably blow up. Now, gravity is much lighter on the moon, as always. Gravity is always lighter on the moon because it's the moon. There's no gravity. Moon turf, you can actually see your footprints in it too. I thought that was pretty cool. And they still have mobs here. All these mobs are stronger on the moon than they would be on the overworld. See, skeletons are holding 2 bows. Zombies are actually bigger. Not too sure what spiders do, and I believe creepers have a bigger blasting radius. Now, this is what the moon actually looks like. It's actually pretty neat. Now, they actually add in a new ore on the moon as well. It is called cheese ore. Cheese ore can be made into cheese, and you can make blocks of cheese, which I thought was actually pretty funny. See? Well, I'm not too sure if I'll be able to find any, but it's there. But, I don't want to be in a hole. Well, that's it for this mod review and tutorial. Please, if you liked the tutorial and review, please leave a comment and... Wait, did that bounce off? That'd be nice to know. Did that bounce off? Nope, it didn't. I just missed. Please leave a review. Please leave a comment in the bottom below and like it if you liked, and please subscribe. This is my first video. I will be doing more mod reviews, and Fi out. You'll have a great day.